Namaste everyone. Welcome to item. In this video, we will see the meaning of chapter 8 from sloka number 11. Yadaksharo vedavido vadanti vishanti yadyatayo vitaragaha yadityanto brahmacharyam charanti tatte padam sathena prakashe. Speak briefly to you of the infallible the residing with practice celibacy. वाराणि संयम्य मनोहृदि निरुध्य च मूर्ध्याध्यायात्मनः प्राणम् आस्थितो yogadharanam. A person situated in yogic situation is free from all sensual attachment and fixes his mind on the heart and light air at the top of his head, thus establishing himself in yoga. यो मित्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिम्. Now situated in this position and chanting the sacred syllable Om, if one thinks of the Supreme Lord and quits his body, he will reach the spiritual place. अनन्यचेताः सततं यो मां स्मरति नित्यशः तस्याहं सुलभः पार्थ नित्ययुक्तस्य योगिनः. Arjuna, I am easily one by one, who remembers me constantly with undivided attention, for he is a yogi who is ever united with me. मामुपेत्य पुनर्जन्म दुःखालयमशाश्वतम् नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मानः संसिद्धिं परमां गताः. Reaching me, these great souls are released from the cycle of birth and death, for they have attained the ultimate perfection. ब्रह्म भुवनाल्लोकाः पुनरावर्तिनोऽर्जुन मामुपेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. O Arjuna, from the highest planet to the lowest, all in births and deaths, but those युगपर्यन्तम् आहर यद्ब्रह्मणो विदुः रात्रियुगसहस्रान्तां तेहोरात्रविदो जनाः. By human calculation, the day of Brahma lasts for 1,000 yugas and his night lasts for 1,000 yugas. अव्यक्ताद्व्यक्तयः सर्वाः प्रभवन्त्यहरागमे रात्र्यागमे प्रलीयन्ते तत्रैवाव्यक्तसंज्ञके. With the arrival of the day of Brahma, all living entities become manifest from the unmanifest state, and with the coming of the night become unmanifest once again. भूतग्रामस्य एवायं भूत्वा भूत्वा प्रलीयते रात्र्यागमे वशः पार्थ प्रभवत्यहरागमे. Again and again, O Arjuna, all living creatures are helplessly destroyed with the arrival of Brahma's night, and they again come into being with the arrival of his day. परस्तस्मातु भावोऽन्यो व्यक्तो व्यक्तात् सनातनः यः स सर्वेषु भूतेषु नश्यत्सु न विनश्यति. However, there is another unmanifest energy that is eternal and higher than this, which does not die when all other creation perishes.